Briefing. Iranian steel mill cyber attack June 2022. On June 27, 2022, two Iranian steel companies, Mobaraka Steel Company and Khuzestan Steel Industries, were targeted by a cyber attack. The hacktivist group, Predatory Sparrow, claimed responsibility for the attack, which caused a malfunction in one of the factory's machines, resulting in a fire and molten steel being spilled across the factory floor. The attack could have been more severe, but the factory's machines were switched off at night and had not been reactivated prior to the 5:15 a.m. attack. Predatory Sparrow, also known by its Persian name, Ganjeshki Durande, says this was one of 3 attacks it carried out against Iranian steelmakers on the 27th of June, in response to unspecified acts of aggression carried out by the Islamic Republic. Attacks on industrialized manufacturing is termed kinetic damage, says Jim McKenney, an industry analyst. He goes on to say, it is worth noting that these types of cyber attacks, which cause kinetic damage, can be difficult to identify as they often appear as equipment malfunctions. Furthermore, there is a lack of cyber forensics at the control system device layer and a lack of training for engineers to recognize potential malicious cyber attacks as opposed to equipment malfunctions. Other kinetic attacks of note include the Stuxnet of 2010. Thanks for watching. Follow on Twitter at McKenneyBrief.